How fast are your sealing machines? Well, the answer to that is it depends very much on the type of packaging that you are using. But generally speaking, you should be somewhere in the region of 10 to 20 packs per minute. The other way of gauging it is really that the sealing machine will definitely be quicker than the packing machine. And you need it to be a little bit, because if you are sealing a pack after you have filled a pack, then you want it to take the pack away on the conveyor belt, move it across so that it either falls into a box at the end of the conveyor belt, or it may just rest on the table, or you may have a colleague that will then pick that up, pack it, get it ready to ship out. So it's gauged upon that. As long as you don't get a bottleneck, then it's fast enough, essentially. So if we say, yeah, somewhere in the region of 10 to 20. Now, a lot of sealing machines quote meters per minute. Now that means if you have a continuous flow, say of 12 meters, it would take 1 minute to seal a 12 meter length, which is absolutely huge. So I've worked that out, done some calculations. I've also done some tests myself. And if you really go for it, you know, you could in theory get 27 a minute if it was running fast enough, and it would seal quick enough. But I would personally recommend to people that between 10 to a maximum of 20 per minute, and at 20 per minute that gives you over 1,000 packs in an hour, which is more than enough to keep up with you know, the filling of the pouches, preparing them ready for sealing. I hope that helps answer your question on how quick or how fast are our heat sealing machines. If you have any further questions about this video or anything is missing, you know how to get in contact with us. Of course, send us an email, give us a call, and of course we would be happy to help. Thank you for watching.